Hi all, Darren Green, Mortgage Broker Perth. Today I'm going to give some advice for first home buyers and just three things again to consider before you go for your first home loan to try and get yourself in the best position and put yourself out there in the best light to hopefully avoid disappointment. Now, number one is to save. You've really got to show a good propensity to save when you go and get your first home loan of at least 5% with most lenders. My best advice with this is to have a separate savings account where you put a regular amount on a regular basis, and just over time, banks want to see at least 3 months, but it may take longer, just to build up 5%, or if you can build up more, even better. And it'll just make things nice and neat and simple, and it'll just be one less issue that you'll have with the bank if you can show you've got a good savings history and you've got at least your 5% deposit saved. Now, number two is stability. Now, what I mean by stability is to have a regular job for at least the last 6 months, 12 months even better, 2 years even better, and also stability in your residence. So people who shift around a lot, banks just don't like that. So try and have a regular house. If you can show that with some regular employment, that just shows you're sort of a stable person, which is exactly what lenders are looking for. Now, number three, and this is probably the most important one, is to guard your credit file with your life. Now, for those of you who don't know, anytime you go to get credit, either a credit card or a personal loan or a store card or a home loan, things like that, even a telephone, they will do a credit inquiry, and that's okay. Having a few credit inquiries on your file is okay. It's just when you mess up with these things, if you get behind or you don't pay a bill for 60, 90 days and it's lodged as a default on your credit file, as a first home buyer, if you've only got 5%, you're pretty much buggered. The banks and the insurers just won't want to know you. So just guard your credit file with your life. And while we're talking about credit, this is just a bit of personal advice from me. Try and avoid credit cards altogether. And this is coming from someone who had them when he was younger and messed up with them. So I know it's very easy to get in trouble with them as a young person. So my best advice is to avoid them altogether. I would never have a credit card again. And like I said, that's just some personal advice. It's not a hard and fast rule. Anyway, if you have any questions, you're a first time buyer with any questions at all, give me a call on 9525 0566, or you can leave a message on my Facebook page and I will respond to that.